Dava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Janavalabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Janavalabha Girivaradari Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yamunatira Vanachari Yamunatira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Janavalabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Janavalabha Girivaradari Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yamunatira Vanachari Yamunatira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Sri Radhe Jaya Radha Radha Bhagavata Radha Radha Kanta Sri Radhe Jaya Radha Radha Kanta Radha Radha Kanta Sri Radhe Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Jai Sri Radha Madhava ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radha Radhakanta ki jai. Sri Radha Rasiswar Sri Radha Gopal ki jai. Sri Jagannath Balaram Subhadra ki jai. Sri Gauranitai ki jai. Sri Premanam Sankirtan Mahayajna ki jai. Jai Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All glories to Srimad devotees. All glories to Srimad devotees. All glories to Sri Guru, Sri Gauranga Nitai Gauru Premanande Hari Bol. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnanangana Salakaya Chaksurun Militan Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pachatya Desatarine. Sri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam. Vandehang Sri Guru Sri Yuta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Ragunatam Tam Vitam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitang Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sarvisakan Vitam Cha Panchakalpa Tarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratvise Namaha. Nityanandamaham Naomi Sarvanandam Karamparam Harinama Pradam Devam Avaduta Shiromanim. Panchatatvatmakam Krishna Bhakta Rupa Swarupakam Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Brindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ananda Lila Maya Vigraya, Hemabadibhyo Chavi Sundaraya, Tasmai Mahaprema Rasa Pradaya, Sri Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Namaste, Sri Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Namaste. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Yes. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So, dear Prabhu and Matajis, please accept my humble obeisances. Vanchakalpa tarubhyascha, kripa sinubhyacha, patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo namaha. So, this morning, we thank to the management of the temple and to give me to do some service this morning. So, we'll read from Prabhupada diary. July 10th, 1976. Tamal Krishna Maharaj came into Srila Prabhupada sitting room for a few minutes as Prabhupada prepared for his morning work. Prabhupada told him about the cheating scientists who declare that life comes from chemical, and he gave him his views on other place, views on the recent speech sought to Mars. Why this rascal compare it with Amazon, as if there is no other place in the world. Everything they are doing in Amazon. All photographed in this place. Now they have been caught. I was always protesting. This rascal have never gone. For the last 10 years, I have protested. Whenever they ask me, I say straightly, it is all childish. They have never gone, neither they will be able to go. That has been proof available. Now, they do not talk about it. All propaganda finished. Now, they have taken another march to keep their service in order. This is going on, all cheating, to keep people darkness and exploit them. So, the so-called Swamis exploiting, yogis exploiting, politicians exploiting, scientists exploiting, philosophers exploiting. What is the position of the world? This is the opportunity of human life to know everything, to solve all the problem. They are not given the opportunity. They are kept in darkness. The demons. There is no God. Science is everything. Life is produced from chemical. There are no living entities on other planet. They are simply shows. And we have to believe that. Perhaps for the first time, I'm raising protest against all this nonsense. So here Prabhupada is expressing his views that about the modern scientists and the attempt for the scientists to make so-called transportation of Apollo, something they call that. They go to moons. Yeah, because moon is more, according to Prabhupada explanation and in also according to Srimad Bhagavatam, moon is more far than the sun, like that. If they want to go to moon, they have to cross over the sun. Prabhupada said like that. So how is possible by the science of modern science they can go to moon like that? So therefore they make propaganda. Oh, moon is just like Amazon, like that. So then Prabhupada make a conclusion. They only doing everything in Amazon. They take a picture, everything. Then they say that moon like that. So this is the cheating propensity of this material world. Yeah. So the second day, Prabhupada also give command about, for the people said that the life is coming from chemical. Yeah. And when Srila Bhakti Swarup Damodar Goswami Maharaj also came to Indonesia, to Bali, we also make many seminar, yeah, on relation with the science and religion also. Yeah. And mostly the professor of the Udayana University, they understanding like modern scientists. That they say life is come from life. So then Guru Maharaj said that if we give you all the ingredient of chemical, everything, and then you try to do in your lab, just mixing like that, can you produce any life like that? But no one can answer. Yeah. So then Maharaj quote from the Kapila teaching of Kapila Deva in Srimad Bhagavatam, that life is actually come from life. If not Jiva is not there, how they can the fetus become grow like that? Yeah. So therefore was proved that actually the material science is much based on research, and the research also is not bona fide. Yeah. Maybe after they doing some research, they put some theory, and then after some time another scientist doing research, and then they nullify the previous theory like that, and they establish new theory like that. So that means that the material science is not real proof or not real science like that. But what we know from the Vedic knowledge, all are truth. No need to do research, because this is coming from the Supreme Lord. Yeah, the Vedic knowledge is coming from Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna give this knowledge to Brahma, and then Brahma give to Narada, and Narada gave to Vyasadeva, Vyasadeva to Madhava, like that. Is this spiritual knowledge is coming from the Supreme Lord, and yeah, bring down, up or down, yeah, by disciplic succession. So therefore, this our knowledge is real truth or real knowledge. Yeah. He told Tamal Krishna about Dr. Sharma. He has got some international name, so he says that it is great fortune I have met you. He is now realizing his mistake. He has still some respect for Vivekananda that I did not disturb. He may misunderstand. Then Prabhupada disagree for a few months. Then Prabhupada disgraced for a few months. Actually, this Vivekananda is rascal. Actually, this Vivekananda rascal, what he has done, what is his contribution? He has ruined the Vedic culture. And the born Maharaj is his follower. He is in name disciple, of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, but he is a servant of Vivekananda. He is a great appreciator of Vivekananda. He has put in his curriculum Vivekananda philosophy, Gandhi philosophy, Rascal, what philosophy they have got. Yeah. So Prabhupada, is expressing his his opinion about Bon Maharaj. Bon Maharaj is one of the disciple of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, but instead of teaching Krishna consciousness, then he is become follower of Vivekananda, like that, so, and Gandhi. Yeah. So therefore Prabhupada become disappointed. Yeah. Recalling his recent pamphlet, I said, he mentioned all the nonsense people. He put a circular out. He mentioned Rama, Tirtha, Vivekananda, all this nonsense. Yeah. Srila Prabhupada gave us his most frank appreciation of his god brother. Now I am convinced he is a rascal. He is nothing but a great rascal. My Guru Maharaj rejected him. Therefore, he was called back from England. Yeah. He has given so much trouble to Guru Maharaj. He called him back, called this rascal back. Every month, he was being sent 700 rupees. That in those days, 1930s, 700 rupees is a big amount. Yeah. So at least 10 times Pilius has gone up. Yeah. 700 mean 7,000. He was spending for nothing, and he was publishing report. Swamiji is playing on harmonium and photos. This is first year, second, like that. Yeah. He also taught us that the mission of Vivekananda's Guru. Yeah. He also taught us that the mission of Vivekananda's Guru, Ramakrishna, served out chicken flesh as prasadam. Yeah. Another god brother used to say, Murgi's mission, chicken mission. Yeah. He was so much against this Ramakrishna mission and Vivekananda so much. He knew all history of Ramakrishna. He became important. He was woman hunter and therefore uneducated. In the village, he was simply hunting after this low-class woman. Therefore, his brother got him married. When he was married, he was important. So therefore, he planned, oh, I see everyone mother. You are my mother. And people said, oh, he is. So realized that even his wife is his mother. Yeah. Rascal. This is, where is that? Another person in the Vedic culture, Vyasadeva or others, they also married. Who has carried this wife mother? Is that the great, is that very great advancement? But this rascal was important. Important. He had no other alternative. So he manufactured some idea, and people thought, oh, he is so devoted to God. To goddess of Kali, that he sees even his wife as mother. So from this passage we can understand actually Srila Bhaktisiddhanta want this culture of Krishna consciousness should be spread all over the world. So therefore, because on that time, India is under the clutches of British. So then also Srila Bhaktisiddhanta also has some friend in the government like that. So therefore, actually, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta sent his disciple to London, especially here mentions Bon Maharaj, to teach this Krishna consciousness there. And even they already send money, rupee like that. But instead of teaching Krishna consciousness, he become follower of the Ramakrishna mission or Vivekananda mission or Gandhi like that. So nothing related with Krishna consciousness. So therefore he also Prabhupada mentioned how his previous life or even he was a Grihastha like that. So actually Srila Bhaktisiddhanta tried very hard. After they take back Bon Maharaj and then send under the disciple, but still they have no not get success in preaching Krishna consciousness in Western country, especially in London. Sisira Dharanat Yuki Jai. So, but different when the first time Srila Bhaktisiddhanta met Prabhupada, or when Prabhupada first time met with Srila Bhaktisiddhanta, just after seeing Prabhupada, so he directly give instruction to Srila Prabhupada. Oh, you are gentleman, young, understanding English. Why you not go to Western country and teach this, the philosophy of Krishna consciousness, in Western country like that? But Prabhupada on that time was argument, because Prabhupada on his young also is the follower of Gandhi. So then Prabhupada said that, so who will hear our teaching, because we are still under the clutches of British like that. And Srila Bhaktisiddhanta said, this teaching of Krishna consciousness, this not depend on any government of the world. This is spiritual. This is the teaching of Mahaprabhus. So then when Prabhupada was convinced by the word of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, since that time already keep that instruction in his heart. And then for another 30 years, then but after that, Prabhupada running his business, different city like that. But always, when he doing business like that, always associating with Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati disciple, and also Prabhupada always helping the mission of Gaudiya Vaishnava on that time. So when he is really ready to go, then Prabhupada go to West and then preaching this Krishna consciousness in very simple way. Prabhupada just bring a pair of kartal and then singing in the New York, in the park of New York, Second Avenue. Then just singing Hare Krishna. See, because Prabhupada is pure devotee, he kept Krishna in his heart. When he is chanting Hare Krishna, Mahamantra is not different from Krishna. So because this pure name is come out, that means is same as Krishna, it's very easily to touch the heart of the people on the time. So then they gradually following Prabhupada and then become disciple like that. So this is the success of pure devotee. When he following the instruction of Guru and dedicated his life to the following the instruction of Guru 100%, then the disciple also get full mercy from Guru and Krishna. So we have to learn from this the Lila of Prabhupada, how Prabhupada dedicating his life in executing the order of his guru, like that, without any interpretation, just following 100%. So then, because of that, he also get full mercy from Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and can preach this Krishna consciousness all over the world. This story is told to me by my Guru Maharaj personally. He was taking with me privately sometime. Then Prabhupada added ironically, although I was bad householder, he was very kind upon me, and whatever is being done by his blessing, that is all. So Prabhupada compare. Prabhupada never stay in ashram, because he was a grihasta and he running business like that. But he always have full faith to Guru's word, to Srila Bhaktisiddhanta. So therefore he try his best to support the mission of Guru, when he was not ready to go out. So because Prabhupada is fully dedicating his life and have full faith to Guru, so therefore Prabhupada get full mercy, even though Prabhupada never stay in ashram like the other devotees. Before taking his work in Central Park, Prabhupada went to rented area on 60th Street and 11th Avenue to see the Rathayatra cart being built under Jayananda Prabhu's supervision. Jayananda is known throughout ISKCON as my Rathayatra for his dedication, involvement of since the very first Rathayatra in San Francisco. He showed Srila Prabhupada each of the 3 chariots, 2 new one and a third from Chicago, full size with canopies of 50 feet tall and supporting brightly colored beam. They run on spokes metal wheel. Jayananda has paid particular attention to Srila Prabhupada's concerns of the wheel, and Prabhupada was happy to see that they were especially strong wheel constructed. Then Adikesawa drove us down the entire parade out, which begin at 59th Street and 59th Street and run 52 blocks to Washington Square Park. As we took a short walk in Central Park, we saw garbage thrown everywhere. Homeless men lie here and there, proof of Srila Prabhupada's repeated statement that no matter what the seeming material advancement of country may be, 3 classes of men will always exist. The poor, the middle class, and the rich. He told us that money and social service cannot alleviate suffering. Suffering is due to destiny. The only hope is to engage everyone in Krishna consciousness activities. For this alone destroy karma and fully liberated one from all suffering, delivering him home back to Godhead. So, by any material engagement or by any material help, we cannot elevate the poor people, to the standard of middle what to speak about upper class people in this material world. Yeah. So like Prabhupada said, only way to elevate them is not elevate them materially, but elevate them spiritually. Yeah. So by giving them prasadam, by giving them book like that, if they become Krishna conscious, then automatically, they will elevate themselves, they elevate their consciousness into the highest consciousness. Highest consciousness means fully Krishna conscious. Fully Krishna, dedicating their life in chanting holy name and doing service, like that. So they will purify it. So this is the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srila Prabhupada, how we can distribute this mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, by giving them prasadam, by giving Mahamantra, by giving them book. So like all of us, we are experience also like that. Just by taking prasadam, by reading Prabhupada book, then gradually we are interested in doing chanting like that. So then, after some time we are ready to dedicating our life in Krishna consciousness. So this, I think most of the devotees experience this thing. In the course of his class, which continue with Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila, chapter 20, verse 104, Prabhupada mentioned the purpose of and benefit of bodily masses. 3.2k. This body is made of, according to Ayurvedic knowledge, it is body development of 3 dhatus: kapha, mucus; pitta, bile; and vayu, air. The vayu is there, air. It is very scientific. Whatever we are eating, it is become secretion. Then by vayu, when there is less ventilation, in the old age, vayu become slow, and therefore so many diseases overcome. This messaging mean just to help air within the body to ventilate. So it is actually made of kapha, pitta, and vayu. The vayu is making the secretion dried up, and so on, and so on. So we are not this kapha, pitta, vayu. We are not the skin, bone, blood, or whatever it may be. You analyze it. I am not this, but life is not there. So all this scientific about body is only outdress of our real self as a soul. So we are a spirit soul. We are eternal, but our body is always under the chain. We birth, grown up after some time, and then produce something and then dwindle like that. This is the law of material nature. Janma, mrityu, jara, vyadi. Janma means birth, and from birth then must be die. Between birth and death, there are some happiness and distress also. Where is this happiness and distress come? It's coming from our previous karma. If we do more pious activities, then we enjoy more. Yeah, but if we do more simple activities, then we more suffering like that. So this is very scientific. Yeah, the law of karma is there. So therefore, yeah, how we can ended this law of karma only by bhakti. Yeah, if we dedicating our life to perform this devotional service, chanting the holy name, and following Paurivali principle nicely like that, yeah, and by the mercy of Guru and Krishna, by the mercy of Gauranga Prabhu, then at the end of our life, if we remember all these things, yeah, like in Bhagavad Gita said that whatever remember we in the time of death, that we will attain that stage of life. But if when on the end of our life we remember all this Nama Guna Rupa Lila of the Supreme Lord, Nam mean His holy name, Guna mean His qualities, spiritual qualities, Rupa mean His beautiful form, and Lila mean activities, spiritual activities. There are many different activities of the Supreme Lord. There are Dwaraka Lila, there's Vrindavan Lila, Kurukshetra Lila, Mathura Lila, like that. But all this is transcendental. Whatever we remember, we will attain the Supreme Lord. But if we, on the time of death, if we remember only our material activities, we attachment to something here, yeah, like one time, His Holiness Subhag Swami Maharaj gave class in our temple, Sri Radha Raseshwar, yeah, because Mataji, and we are also very attached with the avocado, and Maharaj said, even if we just attach to one thing, just attach to avocado, then we cannot go back home to Godhead. We have to coming back here, to enjoy avocados. Maharaj said that. Just even one attachment here, it's not possible to go back home to Godhead. So therefore Maharaj said that we have to become as pure as Krishnas, like that. So this process of Krishna consciousness is to make us pure. Purify our mind, purify our heart, to purify our consciousness, yeah. And also by dedicating our life in service, yeah, because all service is transcendental, yeah. Whatever service in Krishna consciousness is transcendental. So when we are dedicating our life fully in Krishna consciousness, that means this material body also becomes spiritual. So therefore, all the spiritual master, the spiritual leader like Prabhupada, yeah, when the Guru was passed away, they are not burned actually. He should be put on samadhi because his body is spiritual, yeah, like that. So this is proof of the noble of the Krishna consciousness, yeah. After this, after his afternoon nap, Srila Prabhupada hosted a group of senior devotee in his room. Tamal Krishna Maharaj told him about a very favorable article, a new magazine, yeah, called Transcendental Meditation Today, published about us. The magazine had segments on many different spiritual groups, but our section was the biggest and most favorable. Yeah. Out of 55 pages, yeah, used for editorial content, 12 detail Krishna consciousness. Radha Vallabha Prabhu read out most of the article. It described in detail every aspect of Krishna conscious temple life. How sheep one head, now to chant, how to chant, how to cook, the significance of prasadam, yeah, who Srila Prabhupada is, a full page of Prabhupada books, And who is Krishna? Much to Srila Prabhupada's satisfaction, it was much less my sympathetic to many of the other groups, especially Maharishis Mahesh Yogi, TM movement, Transcendental Meditation movement. This in Bali also they have many followers. So Mataji also, before when she was a student, before met with Krishna consciousness, he also following how to do meditation like that. But when after met with one of Srila Prabhupada's disciple, and then he teach us how to chant Hare Krishna, we forget everything. Just chant Hare Krishna and dedicating our life in temple. And even we quit our study. Like that. Because Krishna consciousness is very, very interesting actually. So therefore we just left everything and dedicating our life to this Krishna consciousness. One subheading in that section describes the selling of mantras as profit without honor. It describes an experiment done at Stanford University where two groups were tested. One that meditated on mantra given by Maharishi's men, and the others meditating on mantra made up by the university's people. The result from both groups were exactly the same. That means the mantra was given is not bona fide or not effective anymore. The publisher had quoted verbatim the South African newspaper interview we had seen in Detroit. Swami Prabhupada, spiritual leader of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and Bill Foyle, Durban, South Africa, of the Natal Mercury reporter, had the following dialogue. Bill Foyle: do you think that transcendental meditation is helping people? Then Prabhupada said, they do not know what is the real meditation is. The meditation is simply a fast, another cheating process by the so-called swamis and yogis. So everyone is talking about meditation, but no one knows what meditation really is. They bluff us the word meditation, but they do not know the proper subject for meditation. They are simply talking bogus propaganda. Then Bill Foyle: but isn't meditation helpful in getting people to think straight? Prabhupada: no. Real meditation means to achieve a state in which mind is saturated by the God consciousness. Srila Prabhupada liked the whole article, although there was one description which caused him some concern. Tamal Krishna read out a section describing the evening arati. The kirtan begins with the chanting of Mahamantra, slowly at first and melodiously. Later, the chant will speed up as the spirit of the devotion spread. Often, the most rapid and intense chanting is done by hardcore note of a dhoti and men before the curtain of the shrine. Tamal addressed his own command. The devotees get in one group and start. Hardcore devotees. He read on. The rhythm approached that of the express train, and then the atmosphere is up to remind a lay visitor of the old-fashioned football relay. Some of the onlookers try to keep up the central group. Yes. It's lost. When the shining curtain are down back, devotees kneel and press their forehead. So that means after kirtan and the curtain already closed, then when we are pay obeisances like that. Yeah. Prabhupada pioneered a little. Who has introduced this particular dancing? Yeah. I suggested. Rupanuga Prabhu spoke. We were speaking about that the other day. It is changed from the original dancing that you showed us, to something else, too much like a modern dancing. Srila Prabhupada agree with him. I think this is not good. Tamal Krishna began to read on and then stop again. Why? Why should we dance? Srila Prabhupada, with our hand outstretched. Sometimes the devotee like to jump around. Is that all right? In ecstasy, one can do anything, Prabhupada said. That is another, but artificially to do something is not good. But if one feel like jumping, it is all right. Anything artificial is not required, Prabhupada said. So running back and forth is not. No, he said. Not wanting to completely condemn them. He obviously didn't want to squelch their enthusiasm. Yet, at the same time, he added, that should not be an artificial show, or so, like that. So, when we dance in the kirtan, should be in the mode of devotion, not just showing some artificial mode like that. Should be original. Apart from this, which was not a comment on the article but on our own activities, Srila Prabhupada thought the editor of The Magician had done an excellent job. One letter should be written to him that you have taken so much trouble to describe Hare Krishna movement. So thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Now we shall request you to read our book and refuse it. That will be a real representation of the Hare Krishna movement. Now you have studied superficially, and if you seriously study our book, you will get more knowledge, and you will be able to give description of the movement more definitely. Yeah. So Prabhupada's suggestion is very beautiful, and also Prabhupada very tricky. Yeah, how to convince people? Yeah, suggesting people to the reporter to read more Prabhupada book. Yeah, because Prabhupada sure if they read more Prabhupada book, they will become devotees. Yeah, because all Prabhupada explanation is actually not from Prabhupada. This is from Krishna. Yeah, or from Mahaprabhu was dictating everything. Yeah, like that. So, yeah, this is the teaching of Prabhupada. Yeah. In the evening, Prabhupada gave a short darshan. Yeah. This is finished until here. Yeah. Yeah. So, this is the a few of the Prabhupada Lilamrita in the earlier time when Prabhupada started this movement in USA. Yeah, they have Ratha Yatra, and also when the reporter make a report about Krishna consciousness, yeah, Prabhupada become very happy because more people during that time newspaper is very popular. So almost every people they reading newspaper. Yeah, so yeah, the reporter is doing a nice job because they try to explain Krishna consciousness nicely. So then people will understand the greatness of Hare Krishna like that. Yeah. But in some different country, we get some difficulty also because they become because of very rapid development of our movement. So the local people or the people become envious. So they try to stop. Yeah, not like that also. Just between in the Lila Mahaprabhu also, they try to stop Mahaprabhu movement also. Yeah. So like Namabhusan yeah, try to stop Prabhupada movement and then beating Haridas Thakur like that. That is some because of the group of people, they have become envious and they make a protest to the government. So the government on the time they take action like that. So because not all the people in the world they are understand the greatness of this Krishna consciousness, so therefore they are doing some bad thing like that. Yeah. So we hope that by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, the mercy of Sri Gauranga Nityananda Prabhu, our Lordship, Sri Radhanath, that our movement become more and more popular and more people join Krishna consciousness, so they will get maximum benefit in their human form of life, like that. Yeah. So we will end here because this is the time. If you have any question or any comment, please. I think because this is just Prabhupada Lilamrita, it's not so much discussing about philosophy like that. So I think this will be no question, yeah? Yeah. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada Lilamrita ki jai. Jai Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Sisi Gauranitai ki jai. Sisi Radha Radhanath ki jai. Sisi Premanam Sankirtan Yajna ki jai. All glories to Simul devotees. All glories to Simul devotees. All glories to Sri Guru, Sri Gauranga Nitai Gauru Premanandi Hari Bol.